I got a Fanttik Next S1 Pro cordless screwdriver kit here. Oh, still a little bit of the wrapping paper on it. Let's get that off. Let's check it out here. So got some tips. So let's open her up. All right, we got a USB-C charge cable. Small, very small user manual. Probably not going to need that. Quick start guide. Just the camera a little bit here. Now I have a small version of this that I use for some of my 3D printing stuff and electronics and whatnot. And I wanted a little heavier duty version. I've got a Amazon Basics version of this, and it works pretty good. So we're going to see how this one does. Nice little case. Good, fat, robust. Off. One. Has some charge in it. Turn that off. Nice little light on the end to illuminate your work. And it works just like the smaller versions. Let's see, we got a good selection of tips. Some Torx tips, Phillips tips, a square tip, some standard screwdriver tips, another square tip, and some Allen wrench tips. Your four pretty standard ones. The 3, 4, 5, and 6. The Torx are the TR10, 15, 20, and 25. And you got a S1, 2, and 3 of the squares. I stand corrected. You have a S1 and 2 of the square tips. And the slotted screwdriver tips, you have a 2, 3, 4, and 5. The hex tips, you have a H3, 4, 5, and 6. So yeah, we're going to put this to the test over the next few videos. Like to see how well it drives a screw. Quite a bit of torque. All right, well, let's charge this thing up and I'll come back to it.